morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle channel. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 75 of our beans farming experiment, the last day of the experiment. Today is 22nd of April 2025. So, as we all know, we've come to the end of the experiment and it didn't produce beans. This experiment, like I always say, I've said it a million times. We were trying to find out if beans will grow in the dry season and produce. Apparently, it didn't. So, the conclusion of this experiment is, or of this my own personal experiment, is that beans cannot grow in the dry season. Maybe there are factors I've not fully or I didn't fully take into consideration. Maybe I was overwetting. Maybe the sun at some point was too much. But generally, beans cannot be grown in the dry season from this my own experiment. And today is our final day. So we're going to be plucking out the leaves like I promised, and we're going to use it to cook. We're going to make beans leaf soup and maybe some smoothie. Maybe I'll just go get some avocados and all that. Then we'll do beans leaves gravy. Sorry, beans leaf soup and beans leaf smoothie. But for now, um, I'm not going to dispose of the soil. I want to tell you what I'll do with the soil that is here. Remember, I said the soil is now rich in nitrogen because beans helps impute nitrogen. So this soil is very fertile as it stands right now. So I'm going to be using this to plant watermelon or melon seeds right away, but not right now, not in this video. In my next video, you can see it's already windy. Like I told you, we have somehow gotten into the rainy season, and we've had like maybe like 6 or 7 major rainfalls now. Let me see, about 6 major rainfalls. So, and it's expected to continue in that fashion. Also, we're already deep in April, so it's time to start planting. Besides watermelon and melon seed, which is egusi, it's time to start planting things like yams. Some people are already planting cassava too, I guess, and corn. Yes, corn also. So, but I won't be planting corn this year. So, what I'm going to do now, we're going to harvest the leaves and go use it to make beans leaf soup. I just want to taste what beans leaf soup looks, know what it tastes like. So you join me. I don't know if I'll attach that beans leaf soup on this video or it's going to be a separate video on its own. But we're going to make beans leaf soup with these leaves. Remember, I also have beans at the other section where I started the experiment. I also go pluck the leaves there. Those ones are over 120 days old right now without beans production because those ones have been there since January. So I'm going to cut these leaves right now and we'll go to the next video. I want to say thank you to everybody that has stayed with me. There are people that watched all the whole episodes, and there are people that watched a lot of the episodes. If you did watch them, I want to appreciate you. I see your comments. Lizzie, Awa, Mohammed, Don, something like that. A lot of you. I want to really appreciate you, your questions, your contributions that you made throughout the whole process. I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you for sticking with me. Basibe White Walls. And if you're Omeniko Lifestyle, and if you're visiting this channel for the first time, please drop a comment, like, share, subscribe. We're going straight into yam farming. I'm planting yam in the coming days. And also watermelon or melon seeds. Stay tuned. Thank you. Make I no go die. I want to even start continue still. Beans leaf soup. I'm trying to make beans leaf soup, so I'm extracting the beans leaves from the one I planted. Since it refused to produce, this is the last day. So I have to go and get some meat and some other stuff. Maybe when I cut the one that's here. Now only me go chop am in case I die. Rich in vitamins, and minerals. Very rich. Okay, I will not. I was thinking before of cutting the stems, but I may not cut the stems again. Let me see if after plucking the leaves, it will still continue producing. You say? If no, boys, the leaves are already drying. The leaves are very thick. So culture yet. I'll ask, but they said um Eastern Africa, Asia, they eat beans leaves. They use it to make soup, and they also use it for smoothies. If this is going to really be producing, if the leaves are really edible, if I find out it's really edible, then I'll be planting beans just for the leaves going forward.